up, put them back. Box in the box, dolls on the shelf. Let's all clean up, help yourself. Clean up, clean up.